relative. I will start with the examples first. I have met Shah Rukh Khan, who is a famous actor. Here is the car that you were planning to purchase. Here you must have noticed that in both the examples, who and that have worked as a pronoun as well as connectors. Such words, those who works as connectors and pronouns, are said to be relatives or relative pronouns. Like who and that, there are few more relative pronouns. Those are well, which, whose, where, when and whom. These are the few more important relative pronouns. Well, there is one more important quality of relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are used to specify which person or thing or which type of person or thing we mean. In the simple language or in the layman language, it could be said that relative pronouns give us information about person or a thing. Now, these are the examples of relatives which I will explain you one by one. My brother, who stays in America, will come to India in October. This is girl whose mother is a teacher. Here is the pen that you lost yesterday. With whom are you going out? With these examples, we close about relatives.